And here's a biggie. You expect to see a lot in this? Don't bet on it. I'm pretty sure most of it's air. 35 centimeters long, 21 centimeters this way, 18 centimeters this way, and this is going to be ridiculous. Oh, it does have a hazard label on it though. Well, we're off to a good start. The top of the package is air, I believe from Vancouver area. Then we have some paper. Then we have one container. Yeah, lots of air in this one. Yeah, I think they could have found a smaller package. But this is listed as a hazardous material. It's silicone conformal coating, so that I can touch up some circuit boards before I stick them outside in the weather. I guess I should show you the back side of this one. Let's see, it's flammable, contains acetone. It's corrosive, or whatever that symbol is. And I'm pretty sure that's a respiratory hazard label on it also. But the stuff does work. Let's see. Two packages that go together. These should be, yes, 24 AAAs. Nickel metal hydride. I saw these on another YouTube, and they said basically these things don't lose much of their charge. So I figured I'd get some because I've got a whole bunch of garden lights that I need to fix. So those are those ones. And then for other projects, AA's. Same idea. Very low discharge rate if they're just sitting doing nothing. Now, let's see, almost exact same size package, except I don't want to cut into, let's try there. That's it. Okay. Ooh, and I missed them. Wonder where these ones go. Yeah, they look about the right size. There should be 12 AAA battery holders for projects. And this one could be 12 AA battery holders. Okay, that kind of went together. One thing I will be doing with these is I saw on BigCliveDotCom his circuit for charging, idiot-proof charging of the batteries, where basically you set it up with resistor, LED, and you trickle charge them. And I thought that was an excellent idea for charging these and keeping them good. Granted, most of these ones will be going into solar projects anyhow. Then next, just pause this for a sec. Keeping the theme of Amazon. Another package from Amazon. I had to break down and get this. I've seen everybody else playing with these. We all know what they look like. This one. Box. More recycled material. More recycled material. And I'll assume that just goes like that. That goes like that. Stick circuit board in there and can rotate it around. So, not too bad. In one moment, I gotta clean this off for the next one. And next, not from Amazon. This is from philipjfry.com. Wonder if he's a Futurama fan. Now let's see what's inside here. I already know. Because somehow I was able to completely misplace one of my capacitor kits. How I could misplace it, I have no idea. But it fell into a crack and probably a mouse carried it away. So I picked up two more. That gets me back up and running.